Now more than ever, it's important to dispose of old light bulbs responsibly instead of throwing them in the trash. Proper disposal prevents hazardous chemicals from seeping out and causing pollution, and it supports reuse and recycling, which is also better for the environment. Now you can recycle your old light bulbs safely and conveniently with the Bulb Recycling Mailback Kit from Republic Services. The way it works is simple. Republic Services sends you a kit with a prepaid return shipping label to hold your recycled light bulbs. The capacities of each box are estimates based on proper packaging. To assist you, a packaging guideline sheet is included with every order. Once it's full, request a pickup. Easy as that. The only question is what size box you need. A 4-foot small bulb kit holds up to 70 pounds and is ideal for lesser quantities of different 4-foot long or less fluorescent bulbs, up to 56 T5s for example. A 4-foot medium bulb kit holds up to 70 pounds and twice as many 4-foot or less fluorescent bulbs as the small kit. A 4-foot large bulb kit holds up to 70 pounds and the largest amount of 4-foot or less bulbs, as many as 290 T5s. The 8-foot bulb kit holds up to 70 pounds and is ideal for recycling longer 8-foot or less fluorescent bulbs, or a mix of 8 and 4-foot bulbs. A compact fluorescent kit allows you to recycle smaller 2-pin, 4-pin, and spiral bulbs. We even offer an assorted bulb kit, so you can dispose of a wide variety of bulb types, including HID and U-bend bulbs. To determine the right size mailback recycling kit for your bulbs, give us a call or go to republicservices.com. We'll handle it from here.